Whakalofalahi atu, hane e tau walatala tutupu ke lata mai awhiak nei. Good evening, in our news bulletin for tonight, kua hiki whala te whakaroang he tau pisinisi ha kua nāwhi mtake vai ke inu. Businesses respond to water contamination. Nā kai whia whia tō tangata ke he tau tonga laupa sese ni kua hoku mai he tau ahtapu. Public outcry over cruise ships' arrival on Sundays. Tau siwa simdakau kua li haunga tō lunga ke ua tuai ke lata mai Polyfest. Niue High School's cultural group are set for the ASB Polyfest. Koe whalu mana tu whakakese he tau whahi pisinesi mua te lo tōru nui kua whakaonga lahi vai mai tau whalikai. Kua hiki hiki whala tau whakaroanga lo tōru ke awane ke lawi e tau malolo seno he tau tangata. Ne whakailai he komisinga hua vai, muitua e lo tōru ke tahakotaki ni ko mō mai he tau pulotu kua whai kisi ke he tau vai he motu, kua tūhanghang ka lea, wai kua hātaki atu ke tau tangata ke tūnu moe vai tō inu. Kai mai longa he mga hune, mai whakatūtāla, mai taha maukoloa he motu kua Swansons, ki sia e malikisi hake, e whakatau he tau tangata he tau lupo vai. Kai ke kaunono atu whoki ke he whalu atu pisinisi, kua lawi e tu palamu tope, ha koe tau le kua nei ke he vai.
Tau whahi tapu kukua i kua moile atu ki toa, kua kamata te hama tōru ke kisia moe longona fuki mo tōru e mamafa he kawenga nei kua lawi ai ke tau pisinisi ha kua nākai maike mo tōru ke tālanga tunga e pisinisi he maua kua nākai maike maua mga ahu nei whakamau ki te tālanga he tau aisa ha koe kakano ka ha kua pehe mai lo tōru he whalinga ngā kua naka i lata ke inu po ke inu e vai. So, aidi mai ke ka maua ke tālangi aisa, ha koe naka i manako maua ke ngā ngāo i tu tangata ka whakaongo i aisa ia, ha koe pesini e pehe mai ka alo tolu e tau pulotu, koe pesini e momoko e maua i aisa, kai naka i keli e tau moko ni ku hahai ki loto he aisa ia. So, ke ua whahitapu i kua maoli, ua whakamau ke maua e tālanga he aisa. Ka koe aisa ki he taha he maua do pisinisi, koe taha wala lahi ia ka ha. Ka whakapasene ke he pisinisi he maua linga koe whangfuru pasene, ke whaalime pasene, he pisinisi he maua. Koe tau tupe maua mai ke whakafua he aisa. Si haia taha whakatai ha ke lata e moe tau mana penei ko whengai e moe tau pisinisi ha koe tau matapatu ngā hua, la ngā hua he whakatu whanu kua nākai ngā hua hua mitake.
Haha iei fōki e tau whalekai ne whamahane tangata ke inua e vai, mai he tepe, me nākai whai tutongi, ka koe mga hunei, ne kua mai ke whakafua e tau rupo vai. Talahau mai he takitaki he Swansons ka eke ke liu kese atua i ka halau tōru a tau lupo vai ne kua whakafua ai. Koe tau lupo ualita ne lahi maha ki he whakatau he tau tangata, koe mahina hao koso he tau ka moale, whakafua ai koe hewe seo hongfu mawalu lupo, malikisi hake ke mahina sepetema, tahe awhi ua seo mai ono. Ke mahina hao ke topa mo Novema, ko moale ai e ua e awhi lupo. Si hoko mai ke mtauru tau nei, ke mahina ha Januari, koe ua e awhi tahe seo hewung fumahewa e lupo. Koe whakisianga nei e lahi mana koe tau tangata ke he vai, ha koe le kua nei. Pehe mai a Swansons tō nāka i ose vai halo tōru, kai nāka i loke whihe lewa he le kua, mai tō whakatū mauni ke ta mai whakalahi ke lata mai tau tangata. Tā koe whalo ta mena lawhi ki lunga ka eke ke longa pihia e tau lupo vai ka ta mai, koe uta ki whei e tau lupo ia ka eke kua osi, koe taha le kua lawhi ki lunga e malikisi hake he tau ota. Local businesses in the food and hospitality sector are responding to water contamination reports, putting in place measures to ensure that customers are not affected. A recent report has suggested that almost the entire water supply is compromised and that existing water infrastructure needs to be rectified. It is uncertain how long it will take to resolve the issues with the contamination of the island's water, but the Public Health Division and Water Supply are working together to address this problem. The impact that this is having on the people is undeniable. but there is an element of concern for some specialised businesses that rely heavily on water for their operations.
Has greatly impacted on businesses. I cannot speak for other businesses, but I can speak for what we're going through. We produce ice. That's probably the ice makes up about 40 to 45% of the income of one of our businesses, and that's a great loss of business at the moment because as of 2.5 weeks ago we had to stop and cease the production of ice because of the public notice not to consume the water in and around here in Whanokula where our ice machine is located. That's a huge impact on our income, and on top of that as well, there is really no certainty as to when that problem will be fixed or when the water will be good enough so that we can produce ice. And so because we've had 2.5 weeks of loss of income, we have had to purchase additional these specialized filters so that we can start generating ice. We cannot wait for the water division or to get the problem, because I understand there was a report compiled not so long ago, and it is quite concerning. I've cited this report about the situation of the water. So businesses, we have to make do with what we have, so we have to invest in new equipment, which is an extra cost for us as well. But hopefully the water situation will be sorted out. It's not just for businesses, but also in terms of public health. And the health and well-being of the people who live and consume the water here.
Some restaurants and eateries are now stocking bottled water for sale because they say in the past people would request for drinking water that would often come from the tap without any charges, but due to the water problems, this cannot continue. The biggest importer, Swanson's supermarket, have also confirmed that they have seen an increased demand for bottled water since these concerns were raised. They say that for 2-litre bottles alone, in August of last year, they sold 918 bottles. September, 1,206 bottles. October and November was over 2,000. And in January this year, 2,199 bottles. The expectation is that this will continue to increase. Remedial water treatment options are being considered at the moment, and people are being encouraged to continue boiling their water. La he tongi mana kai fia he tau tangata ha kua kisia e tau tonga laupa sese ko hoko mai ki te waho tapu. Koe aho tapu koe aho uki. He tokolong he tau kerisiano mai he tau hawa mai koe aho whalidi poke. Ka kua hoko mai e taha tonga laupa sese ke he wafo he aho tapu e aho wafu matahi anuali. Mai kisia i poke tau tangata ni kua o whano. Koe tau manatu he takitaki, poke hangai takitaki he kale sekerisiano niwe. Koe matua kuako ko nuka tau wehi. Ne pihia ia nākai ni koe tonga lauturisi ne kua nākai whia giai. Ka kua nākai lata fuki e tau tangata ki ngahua ki he tau tonga laukoloa pia fuki mai pelek e tau whiwa spote. Taha e tau amanakianga he kale sekerisiano niwe. Ke tohi atu e taha tohi ole ke whakatawhonu niwe muatu ki Palmia, ke whai ono wahanga ke tau e tau tonga lupa sese, tau wakatonga tamai ko loa, mai tau tangata ni kua whipile ke tau whiwa spot e tunga olu pōpolo mai tāwhapolo sea ke tau hau tapu. Tau hawa e tahu kui ni kua reweke atua i ke tau ngahua ke wafo, na maua e lautoli whailoanga, kua amana ke e wakatonga lupa sese nei ke hoko mai ke hau tapu, mai maua i e whakataanga. Ahai i fōke tau tutongi ne kua tupu atua ke whakatanga, ke tutongi mai hane whai di liwalo tōru ke whai anoa angiai. Pehe mai ia nāka i koe mana fōua nei, ha kua kisia i ke he longa i tau tau e kua maari ki tua. Nāka i mai ke mua whalu mana te mai whai Planish Travel, ne whamahani ke leweki atua i ke tau whakaroanga tau tonga laupa sese, a mana ki fōki taha tonga laupa sese ke hoko mai, he mahina ka hau, hoko mai fōki ki he aho tapu. Cruise ships arriving on Sundays are becoming an issue for locals concerned over the apparent disregard for Christian values. Niue is primarily a Christian state, and the Sabbath is observed as a day of rest, but what is becoming commonplace with development are cargo and cruise ships allowed to dock. People are also playing sports on Sundays. According to the Department of Transport, who monitor the use of the wharf, they were advised of the cruise ship's arrival on a Sunday, and permission was sought for it to land, and clearly it was approved. Cruise ships are charged fees for visiting Niue, and these fees are currently under review. The largest denomination on the island, the Ekalesia Kerisiano Niue, said they are in the process of expressing their concerns by writing a letter to government to review such activities on Sundays. We were unable to get a comment from the local agents for the cruise operations on island, and an official statement from Cabinet is yet to be received. There is another cruise ship expected in March, and that too will arrive on a Sunday. Ko tau seo se mataka ko lihango te kulunga ke lata mo i taha whenonga lo tū lata me Polyfest te mahina ka hau. Ne ka mata whiwhiria e te whānau ke he tau ka moli mo e ko kisia, ko ke iloa mai mga hunei, ko e toko uafu ma lima e whānau, mo e toko lima e whiaonga ka uatua i me matakau nei. Ko e tau ako kōli halo tū le tala hau mai, whakatoka e ke te mga whahiria i aonga, ke te wahangu fua, mo e te wahangu loto. Whakakatoa toa whoki tua e te whiawa si tupi halo tū, o e taha whakawhiawhia pinko, ke a whiawhi i niawhi, ke whale tolu haonga, mai ke halo tū ke moe mo le fitu e a whitau tāla. Ko e whiawa si tupi whakamua, he tau ka mole, ko e ngā wholo, tūru a tāla, si ko e tau mena lofi lofi whoki ka latimi pinko, whakamua, hoku mai ke tau nei, ko e whakakatoa toa tua i tō la wholo i te pinko. Lahi whakaue he mtakau ke he tau mamatua mo i tau tangata ne kua lang matai a te halo tūla te whiawa a stupe a mana ke mtakau ke whai whakatātā ke he aho ua ia masi mo e tuku whenonga ke watuki Nisilani he aho hewa ia masi. Niue High School's culture group is set to participate in the secondary school's ASB Polyfest in Auckland, New Zealand next month. A dance troupe of 25 students and 5 teachers have been selected, and the excitement is building up. After-school practices have been held on Mondays and Thursday afternoons, and fundraising efforts have seen an outpour of public support since last year. They had their first fundraising bingo. This was followed by a $3,000 raffle, and just yesterday the last fundraising effort raised just over $7,000 that will go towards their expenses. The group have a public showing of their costumes and performances on the 2nd of March, and they will depart the island on the 9th of March. And that concludes our news bulletin for this evening. We do hope you can join us again for our next news bulletin next week. Do enjoy the weekend ahead. Pehena e tau walatala tutupu galata mo e whiwhinei, a mana ke liriu whilewea pehenei fo ke whahetap kahau. Nanofwa, rinepō, tō liriu ke whilewea.